Good morning and welcome to your Morning Pulse for Wednesday, April 23rd, 2025. I'm Jeffrey Snyder, Editor-in-Chief of the Morning Pulse Daily Newsletter and lead anchor of the Broadcast Retirement Network's daily program, BRN. And here are our top stories this morning. First up, rising costs may deter summer travel plans for many Americans. This comes from WGME. According to a 2025 bank rate travel season report, only 46% of U.S. adults plan to travel this summer, with about one-third intending to incur debt to do so. Among those not traveling, 65% cite affordability as the primary reason, pointing to everyday expenses as travel costs as significant barriers. Next up, your eyes could be the windows to your health. According to the American Academy of Ophthalmology, ophthalmologists can detect conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, autoimmune diseases, and even certain cancers during routine eye exams. For example, changes in the retina or optic nerve may signal cardiovascular problems, while other ocular findings could indicate neurological or infectious diseases. And next up, drivers warned to get cars serviced before tariffs. Do not delay your repairs. Starting May 3rd, a 25% U.S. tariff on imported auto parts is set to take effect, potentially driving up vehicle repair costs, extending wait times, and pushing car insurance premiums even higher. Although aimed at foreign parts, the tariff could impact domestic vehicles as well, since about 40% of all repair parts are imported, and many U.S.-made parts rely on foreign materials. And lastly, one group of stocks is showing it could be resistant to the global macro worries. That's sports betting. This comes from CNBC. Despite broader market volatility, sports betting stocks are showing resilience driven by strong consumer engagement and market expansion. DraftKings, for instance, has increased its market share in online sports betting from approximately 21% to 29% over the past year, with analysts projecting its annual revenue growth from 23 to 2025 to outpace the market, primarily due to substantial product and mix improvements. And all these stories and more can be found in today's edition of The Morning Pulse. Subscribe at broadcastretirementnetwork.com to get the newsletter delivered to your email box each and every day. And your subscription supports all the great content on the Broadcast Retirement Network. That's all for this morning's episode of Your Morning Pulse. Don't forget to check out this morning's edition of BRN at 7:30 a.m. Texas A&M University's economist David Anderson joins us to discuss recent core inflation numbers and what it means for your wallet. Until tomorrow, I'm Jeff Snyder. Stay safe, keep on saving, and don't forget, roll with the changes.